guys, Dee Martin here with Dee Martin Realty Group in RE/MAX Tyler. I'm at 343 Copeland Circle in Chandler, Texas, and I cannot wait to show you this property. Let's check it out. So this house is 3164 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, 2 dining areas, and 2 shops. Let's check it out. Welcome inside. So we have an open concept living area here with a rock fireplace, vaulted ceilings, and look at this kitchen. Solid surface countertops, breakfast bar, and really lovely breakfast area. The owner's suite in this house has lots of room and a tray ceiling, but wait till you see the bathroom. You're gonna love it, and you're really gonna love the rest of the house too. One of the shops is really great storage. It has doors on either side so you can pull all the way through to the backyard. You, of course, could put anything you want in these shops. This one has 2 overhead doors. It's heated and cooled. It has a wood burning stove, and it has a separate little office space that's also heated and cooled. Pretty awesome. Thanks so much for touring this home with me. Again, I'm at 343 Copeland Circle in Chandler, and if you want to see this house in person, give me a call at 903-245-3575.